I can remember when Caden first met Kaylee. We were going into the 8th grade, and he started telling me about this girl he thought was cute.
He had to make a move, but he needed a plan. Kaylee ate lunch in her math teacher's classroom instead of the cafeteria. So naturally, Caden started showing up to that classroom too.
My advice to him was to not get too tied down before we became high schoolers because our options were about to multiply.
Kaylee had gotten word through her friend Mackenzie that this guy named Caden had asked for her Snapchat, but the more they talked, the more she saw it. He was kind, he was respectful, and he was genuine. And she noticed pretty quickly that he loved hard, not just with her, but with everybody around him.
She's 5'3" with the most beautiful eyes I think I've ever seen in my life. She just cares for others with everything she's got, and I just love her to death.
Caden is the most hardworking man I've ever met. He is patient. He's always positive.
Kaylee is the sweetest person that anybody could ever meet.
She's my rock. We've been through a lot together. She's just an incredibly strong, courageous, brave woman.
She's such a hard-kinded person.
She is absolutely his perfect, and she balances out everything about him.
She's the person who makes everything feel a little bit more put together just by being there.
You will always be my family, and I love you more than words can say.
I can't imagine a better husband for my daughter.
Caden is patient. He has the biggest heart.
And he's been the joy of my life for the past 22 years.
I know he's gonna always take care of Kaylee, love her forever.
And through the years, he has stuck by her. They've stuck by each other.
Best big brother I could ever ask for.
A huge inspiration for me and a big role model.
Caden, I am so excited to marry you today. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
By the power invested in me, it is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Caden, you may kiss your bride.
Hope that y'all know that we're always there for you.
I love you both and wish you nothing but the best.
I know we're all happy that they are finally tying the knot after almost 10 years.
Let's raise a glass to the new Mrs. and Miss Krause.